Warning, this video is created for the educational use and to show the various techniques of the wireless penetration testing. Using this information for the malicious activity can send you behind the jail. In this video, we have used our own router for the demonstration, so don't be a fool and act smartly.
Okay guys, so I have just rebooted my Kali Linux 2016.2 for some reason. Now what I will do is I'll tell you one more thing, and that thing is how to change the MAC address of any interface. So let's see the available interface list, and we can check this via command called iwconfig. So we have right now ETH0. Let me connect my external USB Wi-Fi adapter. Now it has been connected to my laptop, and let's try to detect it right from here. Removable devices, network adapter is there. Now let's try to do the iwconfig again, and you can see guys, WN0 is now available. Now what I will do is I'll tell you how to change the MAC address of any available interface. So it's always a good thing to change the MAC address when we are going to hack the Wi-Fi, because if you will do attack on any particular Wi-Fi with your real MAC address, then you could be traced by that victim, because you could be checked via the router logs. So your MAC address would be there and you will be detectable. Okay, so you need to evade yourself, you need to hide yourself. So for hiding yourself, it's always a good idea to change your MAC address of your wireless interface. Okay, so how to change the MAC address of wireless interface? Right now let me show you my real MAC address, that is ifconfig WN0. Hit enter. When you will hit enter, then they can see guys, this is the real MAC address of my USB Wi-Fi adapter. Now I am going to change this MAC address. Let me open up new terminal, and for changing the MAC address, all you need to do is to type in a command called MAC changer, and this tool is pre-installed into the Kali Linux 2016.2. Let me see the help. Now this is the usage: MAC changer, option, and then device, and device is either the WN0 or the ETH0 and all these things. Now option is, these are the options available. A stand for the another, E stand for the ending, P stand for the permanent, R stand for the random. I want to assign a random MAC address to my wireless interface. So for that I am going to type in here MAC changer. Option is -R for the random, and device is WN0. Okay guys, so now it is saying could not change the MAC address, interface up or insufficient permission. Okay, so let me down this interface first. ifconfig WN0 down, and now the WN0 interface is down. Now let's try to change the MAC address again with this command. Hit enter, and they can see guys, our MAC address has been changed, and the permanent MAC address was this, and I have changed this to the new MAC address, and the new MAC address is 1E:22:D4:EE:9E:BD. So let me set my WLAN0 to up, because I have just set it to down. So I'll simply copy this command and I'll do it up, and here I am going to check the new MAC address of my WLAN0, and this one was the original MAC address. So let's try to hit enter, and they can see guys, this is the new MAC address. And remember, changing the MAC address is always a temporary thing. You cannot change the hardware address, and the MAC address is the hardware address. So whenever you will reboot your Kali Linux operating system, it will automatically set to original MAC address. That's the disadvantage and the right thing in terms of the technology as well.